Hey there, this is Stephen Gardner. I want to talk about something that has been on my mind about this infinite banking scam that has really been bothering me lately. As many of you know, if you've been following my channel or have read any of my books, I'm actually a big believer in infinite banking. It's something that I've done personally for well over a decade and have been teaching clients all over the country about how to use this concept, this idea for controlling their own economy. But something that I've noticed lately that's it's really been bugging me. It's been nice for me professionally, but bad for the industry is I'm coming across a lot of people who are reading my book and they're reaching out saying, hey, will you give my policy a second look? Something's not right. This is taking too long. My agent sold me this plan and then I never heard from him or her again. And so just in the last couple months, I've had to correct about a half a dozen policies. And what's happening is people or agents are going out, they're using my book or they're using Nelson Nash or Pamela Yellen's book, and they're legitimately teaching about this powerful concept. But then when it comes to the actual policy, they're still building a traditional policy that takes 14 to 15 years to break even, doesn't have money for several years, doesn't have some of the same borrowing advantages or growth advantages or the riders that we are supposed to use when building a legitimate plan. And so is infinite banking a scam? Absolutely not. I have used it myself for self-publishing my books. I've used it for family vacations, car purchases, rental properties. It works, but it has to be built correctly. And you have to have a mentor that can guide you and your money through this process. So that's just something to look out for. If you're working with somebody right now, just make sure that they actually build you the correct plan or they don't switch it on you last minute. One woman told me that she didn't notice this, but several years after she went back and she looked at the plan that the person had shown her when she was going through the book, and then the plan when she actually signed. And because she didn't know any different and trusted this person, they switched the plan. And, so now 7 years into it, I'm having to redo it. And gratefully, she caught it as early as she did, or else, she would have hundreds of thousands of dollars less during retirement. So anyway, I just wanted to go over that. It's something that I'm seeing. The concept is solid. The concept is real. It really does work the way that these books and the way that I share it. But that's just something to be aware of. And it's really been bugging me. And so I just wanted to make this video. If I can help you in any way, please reach out to me. If you want a second opinion or you're working with somebody but don't know if they're giving you the very best deal, please, I'd be happy to take a look at that. You can reach me at Stephen with a PH at yourbridgeplan.com. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video.